In this video, we will show you how to export audio only using Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. If you have some video and just want to export the audio, you can doing something look like this. For example, I import my video here. Okay. And you can see the video has the audio. To export just the audio, first step, you can just right click and select detach audio. After the audio has been detached, you can just delete the video. Okay, just activate on the video here. You can click by left click and then press delete on your keyboard. Now there is just audio here. You can adjust the volume, for example. Okay, after that you can click export. Okay, click export button here, and in here you must select the two format of the audio available. You can using MP3 or using WAV. Okay, I'm select MP3 here. For the advanced, you can click there. There is some option like encoder, channel, and sample rate. You can see, and bitrate. Okay, we suggest you to using channel stereo. So in the left and the right of your speaker will output the sound. Okay, then we can click apply after fix and just click export. I will put the export into desktop, for example. Here just put into desktop and select click export. Okay, because maybe someone confused how to export audio only, and this is the result.
在生命里的最后时刻，他用快速变换的颜色。
There is no video, no frame in here.
回顾他短暂的一生。
And that's all tutorial. How we can export audio only using Wondershare Filmora Video Editor. Okay, thanks for watching.